Hi, I welcome you all for the today's session 5 in Unit 3 of Understanding of Scanner. Let us see the topic which are going to cover in this session one by one. Today we will discuss about what is bitmap, what are the characteristics of bitmap graphics, and along with some multiple choice of question. Let us understand one by one. What a bitmap is actually made up of bits which consist or the compressing of bits is called as pixels. Depending upon the pixels, the image resolution will has to be find out. Here, the collection of bits that forms an image content made up of pixels, where the pixels contain the information of position, size, angular position, even color can be addressed individually. If the pixels are more, then the file size is also more. Along with the quality of the image will also comes in output is in a good manner. The image consisting of a matrix of individual dots that all have their own color, the unit of measurement used to describe the resolution of an images in DPI in machine. If it is in images, it was measured in PPI, pixels per inch. Then let us see the characteristics of a bitmap graphics. We have already discussed that it is made up of a tiny squares of bits is called pixels. Once a raster graphics is created in a certain size, it cannot be scaled up without losing its resolution or the quality of the image. Because at certain level it can be expanded, but behind the limit if you go to expand it, then there is a loss of image resolution, it becomes blurred. The larger the amount of pixels in an image, then the larger the file size. They are positively created in a size the computer needs to store the information on every single pixels. Widely used to raster file formats are .jpeg, .png, .gif, .bmp and .tiff. The .jpeg, .png and .gif is used for photo application as well as web applications. Even sometimes the bitmap and TIFF is used for printing applications. The characteristics of a raster is it is made up of compressed pixels. Once again we are discussing this one. Lose the quality when it is enlarged. Once it has been created, it cannot be converted as a vector graphics. The file formats are BMP, JPEG and GIF and PNG. These applications are used specifically for editing images, some specially for creating bitmaps and other combination of both using Adobe Photoshop. A bitmap graphics software applications are known as several names such as raster graphics editor or image editor or paint packages. Editors allows for the editing and manipulation of individual pixels in a bitmap graphics. Let us see the multiple choice of questions. The first question is, bitmap images is a collection of bits that forms an a dash. The options are idea, image, output and none of the above. Normally, the collection of bits forms one illusion of a picture. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question. Image content is made up of dash. The options are pixels, lines, photos and none of the above. The lines which comes in vector graphics, normally the pixel or comes in or bit may comes in a raster graphics. This is the clue to answer that question. Next. The unit of measurements used to describe the resolution of an image is called DPI, dots per inch. This statement is true because it describes each pixels of the resolution of an image while scanning. Next question. Dash are made up of tiny squares is called pixels. The options are vertical graphics, raster graphics, graphics and none of the above. Normally it is made up of a tiny pixels of dots. This is the clue to answer. It may correct as a bitmap graphics. Next question. Raster graphics loses the quality when it is scaled. Normally, whether the statement is true or false. We have discussed that once the image has been created in a bitmap graphics at a certain stage, it cannot be expanded beyond limit because it lost its quality of the resolution. Next question. Editors allows for the editing and manipulation of individual pixels in a dash. The options are vector graphics, raster graphics, and graphics, and none of the above. Each particular pixels can be edited in a Photoshop software, and this may call it as a bitmap. This is the clue to answer this question. Now, finally, I thank you all.